Okay, in this next section here, since we have gone over our elements and how to manipulate them, let's design some elements. Okay, so we want to bring up our tools palette here. We're going to start off with our marker. And here we have, we're selecting any one of the 8 colors. Now on the markers you also have the ability, and we'll say this again and again, you can change any of these to any color in the color wheel if these 8 don't fit your fancy. So let's select green here, and we're going to start off with a 3rd level thing size, and we're simply going to draw. And it's just like drawing with a marker on your with a Okay. Now, one of the things that we want to go over here is the elements that we've drawn. As you can see here, get our marker. There we go. Okay. As you can see, each one of these is becoming a separate element. This is separate from these 2 pieces right here. Even though they were drawn separately, they were drawn in a time span that created them as one. These were drawn separately as well, but they were created in a time span that created 2 elements. So as long as you keep your pen on the board writing, it will maintain the same element. As long as you keep it within a certain time frame, which is about 3 seconds or so, it will include it in the same element. Now, we can also take this and we can explode this by ungrouping. And so all of those particular pieces become, each one of these becomes an individual element. They are separated now into whenever we took our pen off the board or changed it, as you can see right here, it became a separate drawing, but it happened to group them all together. Okay? So now you see that we can do here. And now do some highlighting here. And the highlight is the same way, in that we've got 8 different colors, and we've got 4 different sizes, and we can highlight the elements right here. Okay, so, and you can see here that each one of these highlights happens the same way. Because from the point we stopped this one and started drawing this one, it was in that time frame that allowed it to create one single element. Okay, so that's our drawing and our highlighting. Now I suggest that you add a new page by going up here and clicking on Add a New Page, and on your program, and do stop the training and do some highlighting and drawing on your own to get a feel for that as to how it works.